Hey everyone, welcome back. Thinking of trying the Intch networking app? You've probably seen their ads pop up, promising a smart, AI-driven way to grow your professional work. But is it a real deal or just another overhyped scam? Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. According to their official website, Intch.org is designed to help professionals build connections through AI matchmaking and a task-based introduction system. Instead of cold messages, users help each other by responding to short requests, earning karma points, and building trust. Sounds unique, right? But here's where things get questionable. Let's start with what people are saying. On Trustpilot, Intch has a low 2.2 star rating based on over 500 reviews, and nearly half of them, 45%, are 1 star. Many users complain the platform is unclear and misleading, especially around payments. One major issue, after going through the onboarding process, users thought they were signing up for a 30-day free trial, only to find out their cards were charged immediately. A refund, a warning, and a confusing UX. Even worse, some people or some users who bought lifetime subscription say they were met with nothing but irrelevant MLM-style posts and spammy networking requests. When they tried to get a refund, they were told they didn't interact enough to qualify. That's a huge red flag. Inch has an interesting concept, but the execution seems to fall flat. The platform's misleading payment process, poor user experience, and overwhelming number of negative reviews make it hard to trust. If you're serious about building a professional network, there are safer, more transparent platforms out there. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.